What's good? It's your boy Nova Real for the Nova Real Show. Outside my house. Look, that's my wife's car in the driveway. Mine's parked on the street. Crazy out here in Buffalo. Hear me breathing hard and everything, walking through the snow. This is real out here, people. Luckily, I had a day off today. Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King Day. But tomorrow, I gotta go to work. Look at her car. Buried. I gotta shovel it out. This is her car. Look how far the snow is. Mine's is in the street. That's mine's right there in the street over here. Well, gotta do what I gotta do. Be safe out there, y'all. Dress warm. When you get too cold, come in the house. Come in the house, people. Don't be a hero. Anyways, your boy No Real for the Nova Real Show. Got a shovel. I'm out.